Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is the gears off of a Lloyd shingle mill. All shingle mills are pretty much the same. It's adjustable. As you can see, it's two pieces. I'll explain that in a minute. Somebody had some questions about... Well, I'm going to shut this off here and put them gears on them shafts right there. I got one goes right there. One. Okay, so I got the gears set on. And somebody asked in the comments, they said that they could see how one side moved. You can see this pivot point right here. Then it goes down to your arm, goes up to your arm. When this cam down here, which follows this ramp, when that comes home on that ramp, this gets pushed that way. And yeah, this one here I put on backwards. This one up here is right. I got to turn this one here around because the teeth are going the wrong way. You hang on a minute. Should just be a simple case of turning it around. Maybe not. Maybe I... No, the top one's on right. Bottom one is wrong. So, anyway, I'll figure that out. The other one must be cut all the way through. So, I haven't got it on all the way because it's not the right one. I think this one here must be keyed all the way through, and then this one down here isn't. So anyway, when that arm goes out, when it comes home, it rotates this way, which puts the top of that roll out. So it kicks it out a little bit. And the top one pulls it back. And it's going the other direction, so it goes back. I wish there was more light in here, guys. But me and Cal been busy all day, and I just got out here in the evening. So anyway, where this is adjustable, get that light away, you can adjust that back. Now if you move the short point back, it will make the narrow end wider, but it will also make the butt end narrower. You can't gain any more wood, so whatever wood the two add up to is what you're going to have. The only way you can get more wood overall is if you change the count of the teeth. This one's got 9. I got another one in the house that's got 7. I'll show you that in a minute. So that's how that advances. I hope that helps. I hope you can see enough. Like I say, it's kind of piss poor out here, but yeah, I gotta see here where I climb out of here. I think I'll go this way. I gotta climb over this stuff. I'm gonna get out and we're gonna stop at that trim wheel right here beyond us. Okay, so there's your rest that you go against. This is 90 degrees to the wheel. You put your butt against that and shove it in, and these trimming knives right here, as they're going by, they only stick out about 30 thousandths or so, and you just push it right against that, you know. And this is for your hand in here, so that you don't, I mean, as long as you keep your hand in here, you won't get caught. It's a fairly safe machine. And this disc is quite large. I'll show it to you from the back here in just a second. Okay, there's the back of it. You can see the knife right over there bolted on. And that blade's only about 2 inches off the floor down there, maybe 3 inches. It's quite large. It's probably 42 inches, maybe, something like that. And of course, your wood shavings come right out on top of that piece of galvanized tin. And this sets 90 degrees. This here's your belt turn. Turns your flat belt and goes over to that. Kind of a neat setup when it's all hooked up, because you know, your belt goes off, goes around the corner up over the main arbor and comes back down. It's kind of neat to watch it work. It's kind of funky to set it up, but it works good. So anyway, just a quick video. Somebody had a question. They knew how the bottom moved, but they didn't see how the top moved. I just wanted to show you that it's basically the same principle, except one side's pushing, one side's pulling. And like I said, I got to change them two gears. The bottom one goes on the top, top goes on the bottom. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. Everything's going good here. Me and Carol are right out straight. Today we got almost all of our wood piled. We got about 100 more pieces of our 6-cord to put on the pile, and our wood will be done for this year. And we've harrowed up the field, as you know. And yeah, it's just, we're winding down a little bit. So almost starting to get some breathing room. Anyway, hope everybody out there is doing great, and keep safe, everybody, and we'll see you on the next one.